Hi, my name is Barbara Kavanaugh, and I'm the Executive Director of the Employment Justice Center. The Employment Justice Center, or the EJC, is an advocacy organization serving low-wage workers in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. We provide traditional legal services as well as pursue a robust advocacy agenda on behalf of low-wage workers. The EJC also organizes and educates low-wage workers so that they can effectively advocate on behalf of themselves and their communities. The centerpiece and gateway into the Employment Justice Center is our workers' rights clinics, which are operated weekly at 2 different sites. Serving more than 1,200 workers annually, these clinics are available to low-wage workers and the working poor who may earn too much from more traditional legal services providers. We are also the only organization providing comprehensive and free employment law services, and we only provide assistance in employment cases. The primary purpose of the EJC clinics is to provide workers with the information and help they need to help themselves. Intake volunteers, supervised by experienced employment lawyer volunteers, provide advice and counsel and brief services, such as helping a worker draft a demand letter for unpaid wages or completing an administrative complaint for discrimination. When appropriate, the EJC litigation attorney may represent a client in court alone or with the help of private counsel working pro bono. While providing legal advice and representation helps address individual problems, the EJC also identifies issues for systemic reform. We have been leaders in advocacy coalitions that helped to pass D.C.'s Paid Sick and Safe Leave Law, the Living Wage Act, and expanded unemployment benefits. Today, we are advocating for a good jobs agenda to support workers' rights and workplace justice, an agenda that includes strengthening anti-wage theft legislation to stop employers from stealing wages from their workers, providing paid sick days to all D.C. workers, and improving disability compensation systems for D.C. workers who are injured on the job. The EJC also recognizes that workers are their own best advocates. Our bilingual community organizer meets with low-wage workers individually and in groups to involve them in our campaigns, to develop strategies, and to tell their stories to elected leaders in the media. At the EJC, we have seen the difference we can make in workers' lives and invite you to join us in securing, protecting, and promoting workers' rights. Thank you.